Indomie was never my thing until I tried this very recipe you're about to watch, and ever since then I'm totally in love with Indomie. In a pot, I'm going to pour some vegetable oil. Feel free to use olive oil. It goes well with it as well. And those are the eggs I'll be using. I'll just whisk everything together. I added some black pepper into it. And after that, I added some salt as well. And I gave it a good mix for them to be really well combined. I'm just going to pour it now into the hot oil. It's now time to fry it. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much to all you, my friends. Thank you so much to all my newcomers. They're also welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, share this video so that you will have the recipe whenever you're ready to prepare it. Turn on your notifications to be getting notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's keep on enjoying this. So I fried the eggs that I've just mixed together. After frying it, I made sure that I cut it into the pieces that you can see, and it's now time to take it off the heat. Look at what we have here. I'm going to keep it for later use. So into that same pot, I'm going to add some vegetable oil into it. You don't need much. All right. So into this, I'm going to add onions into it. And what I have here are garlic cloves. I added it into it. I diced the garlic cloves and I'm just going to fry it for 2 minutes with the onions together. After that, I added red bell pepper. Feel free to use green or yellow. It doesn't really matter. I used red one. Yes, and after that, I just mix them together and allow it to fry for about a minute together with the onion and garlic. After that, I added this cherry tomatoes. Feel free to use any kind of tomatoes. You can slice it, you can dice it, add it into it. And after that, I added seasoning and I mix everything together. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this stage. Kindly leave it in the comment section where you are watching this video from. Let me appreciate you. Thank you. So I took it off the heat. It's now time to pour water into another pot. And I'm going to bring out the Indomie. Yes, I'll be using 7 packs of Indomie. I added it into the water. Exact measurement used, please check the comment section or the description box. You will find it there. So after adding the Indomie into the water, I'll be using 3 Indomie seasoning that came with the Indomie. Okay, I had 7 of it, but I'm using 3 from it, and I added Chilli Flakes into this. I covered it and allowed it to cook for about 2 minutes. And after that, lovely, this is what we have. It is soft already, almost done, and that is how I want it to be at the stage. Now I covered it. I took it off the heat immediately. Now I brought back my pepper mix. I added the fried eggs into it. I combined them well. I allowed them to fry for about a minute together. I introduced the Indomie into it and I stir fried them together for about a minute or 2. Lovely. The aroma says it all. And you know what? Look at what we have. I just garnished it with chives. This is optional, but you will love the look if you add it into it. Absolutely mouth-watering. This is super delicious. A must try for everyone.